Okay, so this is just like a tidying up the kitchen, and it's pretty fast. I had to get rid of some stuff. We went to Sam's Club last night, and I got a big 15-pound thing of baking soda, a huge thing of chocolate chips. Like, everything I got was humongous. I didn't have room for the chocolate chips, so I have to put them somewhere else to storage. And yeah, and I don't always keep stuff in the oven. Those are just sunflower seeds, so they're drying right now. I have to put them in the water and then roast them later on today. Here is where I noticed that there was going to be a problem with me putting the rest of my dishes away, because this cupboard is wrecked. So I finally reorganize it and get rid of the other ones that I don't really use and put them back in storage somewhere. Okay, here's where I start cleaning the sink out, because you can never have too clean of a sink. Am I right? I'm having clients come over later, and that's where they wash their hands usually. And I'm using the new Dawn Power Wash with my Scrub Daddy. I don't know if you've ever used a Scrub Daddy or not, but those things are amazing. I used one at a client's house, and I became obsessed. So I ordered a bunch, and then I have a huge shipment of like Halloween ones, the Scrub Mommies, all kinds of them coming in pretty soon, probably today or tomorrow. And I'm just so excited. But I wanted my sink to be super clean because people notice that thing. And I have really bad water here, so just keeping it up is really important. And that's pretty much it for this video, because my kitchen wasn't really dirty. I haven't cooked in a couple days, so I'm not sure what else I could have filmed in here, but I hope everyone that watches it enjoys it. I'm trying to get better at filming.